Welcome. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to delete a contact on WhatsApp. If you've ever wanted to clean up your WhatsApp list and remove people you no longer need there, this is the simple process you can follow. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure you're on the Chats tab. This is typically the main screen where all of your conversations are displayed. From here, you want to tap on the new chat icon. This will allow you to search for the contact you'd like to remove. Next, in the search bar, type the name of the contact. Once they appear in the list, tap on their name to open their profile section. When you're on the contact's profile screen, look at the top right corner and tap on the three dots. A small menu will appear, and from that menu, select View in Address Book. This option will take you directly to how this contact is saved in your phone's contact list. Here's the important part. Since WhatsApp pulls all of its contacts directly from your phone's Contacts app, deleting a WhatsApp contact means you need to remove them from your phone itself. So once you're in the contact details on your phone, simply choose the Delete option. Confirm that you want to delete the contact, and it will be removed from your phone. When you go back to WhatsApp, that person's name will also no longer appear in your contact list. If you already had an existing chat with them, the conversation may still remain, but their saved name will disappear. Instead, you'll just see their phone number until you delete the chat thread entirely. And that's it. Deleting a contact on WhatsApp is really about managing the contacts saved directly on your phone. Once they're gone from your phone, they're gone from WhatsApp too. If you've been wanting to tidy up your contact list or remove outdated numbers, now you know exactly how to do it quickly and easily.